In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an underline from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever highlighted text in Acrobat and later decided it wasn't needed, this guide is for you. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that you can declutter your documents efficiently. Whether you're working on a report, preparing a presentation, or simply tidying up your electronic files, removing unnecessary markings can significantly improve readability and presentation. First, let's start by opening the PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once Acrobat is open, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen. Click Open and browse your computer's folders to locate the PDF file you wish to edit. Select it and click Open. You'll see your document displayed on the screen. This is where we'll be making our changes. Next, you need to find the specific text that has the underline you want to remove. Scroll through your document or use the search function, accessible via the Find tool in Acrobat's toolbar, to quickly jump to the exact section. Once you've located the underlined text, use your cursor to click directly on it. By selecting the underlined text, you're telling Acrobat that this is the section you wish to edit. Acrobat is designed to be intuitive, so it's as simple as a click. Now, with the text selected, look for the context menu that appears. It usually pops up nearby, often above or alongside the text you're editing. This menu is packed with useful tools for editing text annotations. Here, you're looking for a small trash can icon. This icon represents the delete function, specifically useful for removing text highlights or underlines. Go ahead and click the trash can icon. This action will immediately remove the underline from the selected text. Keep in mind that if you don't see the trash can, it could be because the text wasn't properly selected, so make sure it's highlighted correctly. And there you have it. The underline should now be gone, leaving your text clean and free of unwanted marks. Acrobat updates automatically, so you don't need to worry about saving changes manually after each edit. However, it's always a good habit to save your work periodically, especially if you're making multiple edits. Navigate back to the File menu and select Save to ensure your document reflects all the changes you've made. With these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and refine your PDFs to suit your needs. Understanding how to efficiently edit annotations in Adobe Acrobat Pro empowers you to maintain neat and organized documents. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.